Hey guys, guess where we're at? We're at the craft store. I'm very excited. We're gonna go on a little trip inside the store and record a little bit of what I usually look at and what I do when I'm at the store and show you guys my loot, the loot that I'm gonna get from the craft store. So here we go. I'm picking up some cups today. This is the cup that I have been kind of falling for recently because it has a slide off lid and it has a straw. And you can go all the way right up to the rim because the twisty piece is on the inside, and it would just make a much smoother transition than the one that I had that had like a gradual slope, because it's harder to put vinyl and stuff on it like that. So I got 4 of these cups, and now we're gonna look at some glitter. Purple at the house, and I have like a blue like this at the house, so I don't want to get any of those. But I am looking at this sea green, which is so cute, and this bubblegum pink. And I kind of want to get like a, I don't know, maybe like a lime green. How fun is that? What could I do with that? Oh, so cute. I think I'm gonna get another pink. I think I'm gonna get this one, which is called blush. And this one would make, and this even too, you can just totally do Valentine's with this. These are gonna make some really cute cups or coasters or keychains or whatever it is that I decide to do with them. But I love glitter. So maybe I should get like the clear or the blue. But I think it would be great for storage for all my stickers or all my keychain molds. And that way they don't have to be just piled everywhere, because it's kind of messy in my craft room right now. I think I like the blue better. This color. Is it blue or? Yeah, it's definitely blue. I think I'm gonna get 2 of this one because I can think of 2 things right now that I can put in these to help with organization. And if you've seen my videos, you know I need help with organization. Hey guys, we are back at the house with my new storage containers. I sort of went through my craft room and I gathered up all the stuff that I was wanting to put in the 2 of these that I bought. So I have a whole bunch of stickers. I love stickers. So I've got these glitter American flag stickers. I have a whole bunch of these that are just like sheets. Sassy motherhood things. This one has birds on it. All these different gold words, more gold words, little crosses. Shh, no one cares. I love that one. Shh, no one cares. I'm gonna have to find a cup to put that on. It's funny. And then like a little Paris one. Oh, this one's funny. It says better late than ugly. Sleep in, nap all day, sleep all night. Just cute little sassy things. This one has like arrows. And I got this sticker, and I'm gonna do a sign with this for my daughter's room. Like little geometric unicorns. I have 3 of, oh, there it is. I have 4, I guess I have 4 of these little glitter snowflakes, and I have a cup that I'm gonna do with that. Christmas stickers, we went a little cray-cray with the Christmas stickers. And then I bought a bunch of these little sticker books. Side note, if you're gonna use paper stickers, you have to use Mod Podge over it before you do resin, because the resin will soak into the paper and make it look all meh, whereas the Mod Podge won't do that. But if you get stickers like these where it's like plastic or foil, some of them are, then you don't have to worry about that. You can put resin right on top of it and it won't hurt anything. Same as these. These are like a plasticky, they're not paper. Inspirational phrases, celebrate life, cute little things. I love this one. Nothing is worth more than this day. I love that one. All right, and then I got this. If you're an HP nerd, like I am an HP nerd, I plan on doing a cup. So this is 2 stickers. So there's this one, and I'm going to do a front and a back. Super fun. So I'm going to move the books. I'm going to separate the books from the regular stickers. So I got this because I guess I thought I had a lot more stickers than I do, because that took up not very much room at all. But now they're in here and they're not piled all over my craft room, which is a big deal. And actually, now that I'm looking at this and all of the molds that I have, I'm not sure they're all going to fit. But I do want to put them in here because every time that I go and use a mold that I haven't used in like a week, I have to wash it because it gets dust all over it. Like that one, like what's it got all in there? I don't even know. So these are my geode coaster molds. And then I've got my domino molds, which I love. Ooh, they'll fit right there. Perfect. And then I got a bunch of keychain molds. I got Harry Potter, Disney, this cute little skull, which is super adorable. And I have a whole bunch of these, and I haven't cleaned these off. They've got little bits of resin on them that I need to clean off. I have a whole bunch of keychains that I've made with these molds on my website. If you guys have not been to my website, it's happycraftinglady.com, and I have a whole shop on there with all the things that I have. I just realized I'm not sure I'm going to be able to get these in here with all the rest of the stuff, so those ones may not make it. I've got my little jewelry set. I don't remember what that's called. And this one, which I actually found out was for clay, and so it doesn't make them shiny, which is a bummer. But I'm going to keep it until I figure out what I'm going to do with it. More keychain molds, ton of keychain molds. And then I also have a whole bunch of these that are like gemstone kind of molds, and they have little things for where you can put it on a keychain or a necklace. Maybe I can rearrange some of this. If I put that over here and that over here, and I kind of flip those up and then move these, maybe I can, because these should be able to, if I line them up right, they should be able to go together, and maybe I can get them all down in here if I do that. Let's start around this way. Ugh. Well, let's give it a go and see if it'll. I'm missing one of these. I have 5 of these and I only have 4 in here. I don't know where the other one is. Aha! Look at that. Clap. Come on, clippy clap. Alright, so I've got all of my molds in this one, all of my stickers in this one, although I'm pretty sure I have more stickers somewhere. And this is optimization. Like, now I don't have to dig around for anything. I know where everything is, and I can see it. That's one of my things. If I can't see it, then I'm not thinking about it, and then I don't do it. It'll just be like, bloop, slip right out of my mind, and I won't do it. But these are great, and these are actually on sale. I got these on sale. Very excited about that. So now I can probably go get some more of these because I have a ton of other stuff that I need to organize. And you guys have officially seen my new organization system, part of it anyways. Thanks for coming along on the shopping trip and checking all of my stash out, all of my stuff that I have here. And I will see you guys next time.